He feels that he can't deny her advances because his safety is at issue.
An inmate at the Fresno County Jail claims a female correctional officer is sexually abusing him and practically holding him hostage. Now, jailhouse love letters are at the center of an unusual case and an Action News exclusive investigation. That's our top story tonight at 6. Good evening, I'm Juan Armstrong.
And I'm Graciela Moreno. The man making those claims is in jail for driving drunk and child endangerment. He claims a correctional officer is abusing her authority and forcing him to have sex with her. Action News court reporter Andres Araiza is in the newsroom with the love letters that have surfaced and how the sheriff's department is responding. Andres.
Graciela, I saw the original love letters myself this afternoon, and they do raise a lot of questions. The inmate is 34-year-old Richard Burrell of Fresno, who faces child endangerment charges for driving drunk with his kids in the car. Now his attorneys describe the man as fearing for his safety.
He was apprehensive, fearful. There was some watery eyes.
Defense attorney Dan Martin points to these love letters as proof a female correctional officer at the Fresno County Jail is sexually abusing and harassing his client, Richard Burrell. One of them is signed, "Love Me, Veronica." The letters describe sexual activity between the female and the inmate. Veronica at one point expresses fear of losing Richard. Quote, "You asked me why I felt scared. You're mine here. Things will change when you are out. How much I don't know. That's what is scary." End quote. Martin says his client had no choice but to have sex with a female guard inside the jail at least once, and that now his privileges are being compromised by the guard.
His visits with his wife have been cut back from the normal amount of time allotted, and he feels like if he was to rebuff the advances that his safety would be an issue, be withdrawn. And then there's been comments by this female correctional officer that her coworkers would cover her or they got her back.
Martin claims the female guard bit his client. The letters do mention biting as a form of flirtation. Sheriff Margaret Mims issued this short statement to Action News. Quote, "We just learned of the allegations and we are taking the appropriate actions." End quote. Defense attorney Amy Guerra also represents Burrell. She says there's no indication other officers knew about the relationship.
He did indicate that there may be some witnesses who maybe didn't realize what was going on at the time, but may in the future be able to come forward.
And late this afternoon, Burrell's attorneys told me they met with internal affairs investigators with the Sheriff's Department to discuss this issue. We called the female guard today and left a message, but our phone call has not been returned. Reporting live in the newsroom, Andres Araiza, ABC 30, Action News.